Ranchi is famous for the diversity of the people from different communities as well as the indigenous tribes, mainly Mundas and Orawas. Other than these communities, there are lot more communities exist in Ranchi. The tribal population have their own religious beliefs called Sarna. The festival celebrations are marked with ebullience and traditional order. From Karam to Christmas, a number of festivals are celebrated in Ranchi. The tribals are very fond of dance and music. There are about 64 seasonal dance forms and numerous ragas in Orawa tribes itself. Among major tribes, dances are performed at meeting points called Akra on important days such as Karam and Sarul. Ranchi is not only a home for tribals, it has a notable population of Bengali, Gujaratis and Marwadis. The Gujarati community in Ranchi, which tried here in the early 20th century, comprises mostly of families engaged in business.
1904 में जब ये लोग आए तो उसके बाद यहाँ कॉन्ट्रैक्टरी का काम करने लग गए और लगभग सब व्यापारी हैं।
Another community actively involved in business in the city is that of Marwadis. With their origins in Rajasthan, the community has been here for a long time and feels at home in this city. The Nepali community which migrated to Ranchi during the times of the British is today largely engaged in the armed police force. Nepali festivals such as Dasai and Tihar are celebrated with a lot of fervor. The Punjabi community in Ranchi also adds flavor to the cosmopolitan spirit of the city.
तो लगभग एक आध साल पहले से लोगों को एहसास होने लग गया था कि अब ये पार्टीशन होगा, बंटवारा होगा। तो कुछ लोग तो जो थे आ गए, कुछ लोग पार्टीशन 1947 के बाद में, जैसे मैं ही हूँ, ये मेरा परिवार।
पंजाबी जहाँ भी बसते हैं वहाँ हम एक नया पंजाब बसाते हैं।
Originally from a state in the other end of the country, they pride themselves on being Jharkhandi, and the community contributes a lot to the economy of the city. Ranchi was once the summer capital of Bihar, and there is a thriving and industrious Bihari population, as was evident in the recently concluded Chhath festival. There is also a notable Muslim population in the city engaged in all spheres and adding to the rich plurality. While it can be said that modernity and rapid industrialization is a serious threat to the tribal way of life, we can also say that as a capital city of this 21st century, Ranchi is a fine mix of different communities and truly a cosmopolitan city.